What's going on? You know what time it is. The fall lights came in for the 2013 Chevy Malibu. Um, Trying to get all this stuff done. As you can see in my previous videos, I got all the like alarm remote starter and stuff done. The, um, the LED headlights and stuff. So trying to get all this stuff done so I can pop it off. So I can sell it and get my little profit. This is the fall lights. No, this is the housing. That's actually gonna look good because the car is silver. It's gonna look good. That's the housing for it. Headlights. Yeah, they came with regular bulbs. I wanted to get the LED bulbs for here, but I'm just gonna leave these in here and just do the LED headlights. No, the less I have to spend is better. Because that means that my profit, yep, that's all. You know, every dollar helps. Especially I didn't pay that much for it anyway. Headlights. Now, yeah, it's my towel I left for now. It's in the trunk. I actually open it up before I can. I was gonna do the unboxing, but I just wanted to see and make sure everything was in there. You know, because I was like, I'm gonna unbox it later, but I don't want to sit because if everything in here, I wanted to call the company. So, but everything was in here. So, this the switch. You actually can buy this switch by itself. I see a lot of these switches on different types of fall light kits. You know, the switch is okay. It's okay. There's better switches out there, but I do know you probably gonna end up having to get some 3M tape because none of them tapes that come with anything that's not 3M don't really stick. Don't really stick. So, and this right here, I'm gonna show you. What is this? Ah, okay, yeah. Let me just stuff to this. Those right there. We put those clips and stuff on here. On the back of there. So all that stuff can like up in here so it can mount up in there. Yep. And the funny thing about it is, with these kits, none of this stuff really come with instructions. Now, don't get me wrong. A lot of it is common sense if you're an electronic technician, mobile electronic technician, or you just mechanically inclined. But a lot of people, it's not gonna know how to hook this up. They're gonna see this and be like, "What? Relay?" But then let me open it. Just imagine you never done this type of work before. You got no instructions, and you see this. You can be like, "Know what? I'm just gonna call somebody to do it." Got this wire right here. You like, then these wires. You're gonna be like, I mean, to me, I'll be like, okay, I don't know how I can figure this out, but I mean, just you never know, man. Even some things that's like red might be another type of wire. You might think of, oh, it's power, but in reality, it's something else. That's why a lot of this stuff needs to come with instructions, and that's why a lot of this stuff that people be ordering off eBay be burning up because don't come with instructions, and people be guessing. And a lot of people, like, if you never done this stuff before, it's gonna be hard to guess. And some of the stuff you can get, but you don't want to burn up your car or nothing, or burn up the money you pay. I mean, if you're gonna pay this money for this stuff, you need to come with instructions. Nothing but cotton balls. What I'm gonna do with these cotton balls? They ain't gonna tell me how to hook it up. I mean, I'm gonna figure it out, but that ain't the point. It's other people that don't know how to, that never did this stuff before. You know, that's crazy. Yeah. I wish it already had fall lights on it, because some of them come with fall lights already on it. And that would have been a lot easier for me just to slap the fall lights and all that stuff on. I mean, just the headlight bulbs, and then do the alarm mode starter. Yeah, I hope this stuff. Hope this stuff basically lines up. So I don't got really got time for nothing to be breaking, because it ain't gonna lie. This is like the little this is like the little cheaper kit. But hey, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's okay. So I think these mount up in the. I'm guessing these clips go on here. It mounts up in the thing, and then the cover go over it. Yeah, we'll figure that out though. Ain't nothing to it. Just hope the weather's decent, man. I won't have to keep stopping. Get out there on that ground. Get this stuff done. Just gonna throw all this stuff back in the box, man. Yeah. Fall lights. So you gotta do all this stuff yourself. Like back in the day, I used to love doing all this stuff, you know. But like I can't wait till I start like, you know, like a lot of them YouTubers, man, they got big and they start making the money. You can have other people do your stuff. Trust me, I'm gonna be doing less of my work when I get up there. But you know, it'd be nice to just go buy you like a 2020, 21 Hellcat, even though that ain't my thing. You know, all you do is slap some wheels on it, do some paint, do some music. A lot of these older cars take a little bit more work to get stuff done, but that's cool too, man. It's all a part of the game. Yeah. You got to grow. You can't just like can't come out the womb. Come out the womb running 40 miles per hour. Just don't happen like that. So I know I'm off subject, but to you guys with these YouTube channels, man, who just starting out, you don't have to have the perfect camera. You don't have to say, "Oh, I'm gonna start when I get this camera. I'm gonna start when I get a better camera. Or I need the weather to be nice to do it, or I need to live in a different state where it's nice all year round to do it." Man, just get your camera and start going, man, because it's billions of people in this world. Somebody gonna like your content. Just like, for instance, chicken. Chicken is good. I love chicken, but everybody don't like chicken. You know, like liver. Some people think liver is disgusting. I love liver, like chicken liver, but you know, some people hate it, but a lot of people love it. You know, and me just saying that, meaning that no matter what you put out, it's some content out here for everybody. I see a lot of stuff that looks stupid. That you ever see something that's stupid, you be like, "How people watching this crap?" But then you get like 8 million views because you always got an audience for your content. And it's just like people that want to sell stuff and coming up with these videos. You always got people that's gonna buy something. I mean, I done sold everything from tires to radios to stuff that you just think people weren't gonna buy, but people buy it. And the point of that is just get out there, man, and do it. I know I'm probably talking about like these fall lights and then hooking up this car, but I'm just saying, just trying to get a little bit of motivation, man. Just get out there and do it. Like Nike said, just do it. You keep making excuses. Time, hours gonna go by, then days gonna, weeks, months, then years, and then next thing you know, 10 years later, you still talking about some. I think I should do. I finally got my camera. Look at all them years. You could have been made content, growing slowly up into that, up into that point, And just like when I got on here, no, I didn't think people was gonna watch my stuff. No, I'm not the best speaker. I'm not. No, I don't like to be all on camera. I'm not just like film. Like, yeah, some people can edit like crazy, filming and vlogging. I don't do all this stuff. I'm not the best speaker, the best editor. I don't have the best content, but I just do it. You know, I'm not doing it really to get paid. Now, don't get me wrong. Some checks come in, I'm gonna love to cash them, but I'm just doing this to like help people, to motivate people, because when I started doing this stuff, like we had at YouTube a platform to do all that stuff. You know, people, but now people can like look at your videos and see how you do stuff. Like a lot of people, I respond to everybody that make comments to me. A lot of people be like, "Oh, how you do this?" Or they be like, "Thanks, man. You saved my day. You saved me a bunch of money." Or "You made my day." Or "I've been having a hard time. And I finally found the video. Thanks for explaining it." Just when you think, "Oh, my voice sound funny," or "I'm not the best speaker. I don't talk well," or whatever like that, you got some people out here gonna enjoy your content. You know, some people gonna be like, "Man." Some people gonna be like, "Dude, you sound like you got a rabbit head in your mouth when you talk." Then you gonna have some people say, "Hey, man, this was the best though explained video tutorial that I seen over here, and good job, man. You helped me out a lot, and you directed me right to do it." And stuff. It's stuff like that, man. So you gonna have your good, you gonna have your bad, positive and negative. So it's like, just keep going forward. Don't lose focus. Don't get discouraged. Like people be like, "Oh, I got trolls and people down on me." You know, I had some people. I know some people that deleted their YouTube channel, deleted videos because they couldn't take them. I mean, views is views. If people talking about it, if you can't if you are shallow and one track minded, YouTube is not for you, because you're gonna have people on here say what they want, and it's nothing you can do about it. If you go off, you might okay, say for instance you got a bunch of following. They like you because the way you handle things. They like you because the way you talk, the way you carry yourself. Then they see you on here cussing somebody out, arguing. They be like, "Why would he do that to his fans?" Trust me, if you got good people that's following you and supporting you, and they gonna take care of them negative people in the comments. Trust me, I know this for experience, because if you get a lot of negative hate coming your way, the people that's really supporting you, your fans, they gonna take care of them trolls in the comments. You don't have to do it. Just keep shooting up your video. You're not putting this video on here for them trolls. You're not putting these videos on here for all that negativity. You putting these videos on here to motivate people, to help people. It's somebody out there watching your content that was having a rough day. No, that was just couldn't figure out something, that was just finna spend a lot of money, and you actually helped them. It was something you said or did. Like a lot of these videos, I be putting like cars and all the other stuff together. But when you give advice, sometimes you got some people just be like, "Oh man, I watched that video." They might not need it to watch it to learn how to install a remote start, or a car battery. It might just been someone that, as you said, that reached them. You know, you ever been in a church and a pastor was saying something and it felt like he was talking to you? You were like, "Man, who up in here told my business?" No, but it's just that. Sometimes you can say something that's, God can just like direct you towards somebody to either save their life or to make them move in a different direction. And I'm not finna stand up here and preach. I'm finna get ready to cut this video short. But I'm just talking and hoping I can help somebody, man. So I thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you like my content, just let me know in the comments, or if it's something that you want to see me do, or if you want to hear more of me talking and giving advice, or if you just want to ask a bunch of questions, you can email me, you can put them in the comments, and I'll try to get back to them. But other than that, man, y'all stay prayed up, take care of yourself, wear them masks, put that hand sanitizer on, and stay 6 feet apart. Hey, stay 20 feet apart, man. Don't really go out if you don't have to. All right, guys. Catch you on the next video. I'm out.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.